The fruit. The fruit is a characteristic feature of the flowering plant. It is a mature of ripe ovary developed after fertilization. If a fruit is formed without fertilization of ovary, it is called parthenocarpic fruit. Generally, the fruit consists of wall or pericarp and seed. The pericarp may be dried or fleshy. When pericarp is thick and fleshy, it is detached into the outer epicarp, the middle mesocarp, and inner endocarp. In mango or coconut, the fruit is known as a drip figure. They develop from the monocarpally superior ovary are one-seeded. In mango, the pericarp is well differentiated into an जैसे ये हो गया पार्ट ऑफ फ्रूट। सबसे पहले क्या होता है एपिकॉर्प, बाहर वाला आउटर वाला एपिकॉर्प, अंदर वाला मीजोकॉर्प, फिर सीड होता है, फिर एंडोकॉर्प होता है। मैंगो एंड कोकोनट, मीजोकॉर्प हो गया, सीड हो गया, एंडोकॉर्प हो गया। Outer thin the epicarp, a middle fleshy, edible mesocarp, and inner stony, hard endocarp. In coconut, which is also a drop, the mesocarp is fibrous. The seed. The ovules after fertilization develop into seed. A seed is made up of seed coat and embryo. The embryo is made up of radicle and embryonal axis. One, as in wheat, maize, or two cotyledons, as in germ and pea. Structure of dicotyledon seed. The outermost covering of seed is the seed coat. The seed coat has two layers, the outer testa and the inner tegmen. The hilum is scare on the seed coat, through which the developing seed were attached to the fruit. Cotyledons form a radical structured acid. Above the hilum is small pore called micropolyp. Within the seed coat is the embryo, consisting of an embryonal axis and two cotyledons. The cotyledons are often fleshy and full of reserve food material. At the two ends of the embryonal axis are present the radials, the plums. In some seed, such as a castor, the endosperm form as a result of double fertilization is a food storing tissue and called endospermic seed. In plants such as the bean, gum, and peas, the endosperm is not present in mature seed, and such seed are called non-endosperm. Structure of monocotyledon seed. Generally, monocotyledon seed are endospermic, but some, as in orchid, are not endospermic. In the seed of cereal such as a maize. स्ट्रक्चर्स ऑफ मोनोकॉटलन सीड। एम्ब्रियो हो गया, एंडोस्पर्मियस हो गया। सबसे पहले जो होता है एंडोस्पर्म एंड सीड कोट, बाहर वाली जो लेयर है सीड कोट एंड फ्रूट वॉल है। एलुनर लेयर हो गया, सेप्टोल सिलोमेटर प्लूमेट रेडियल कोर्सिस। Seed coat is a member generally fused with a fruit wall. The endosperm is black, store food. The outer covering is of endosperm. They separated the embryo by proteinaceous layer called alveolar layer. The embryo is small and situated in groove at one end of a sperm. Is consist of one large and shade-shaped cotyledon known as a saltinum and short axis with the plumate and radicle. The plumate and radicle are enclosed in a slitus which are called a celluloid and colonism respectively. Semi-technical description a typical flowering plant. Various morphological features are used to describe a flowering plant. The description has to brief in simple and scientific language and pretend in a proper sequence. The plant is described beginning with its habits, vegetative characters, root, stem, leaves, and then floral character and fluorescence and flower plant. After describe various parts of plant, a floral diagram and it is a floral formula present. The floral formula is represented by some symbol. In the floral formula, BR stand of bracket, K stand of calyx, corylum, pretems, and endosium. gynoecium. Superior ovary, inferior ovary for male or female bisexual. Flora diagram with floral formula. And percentage of nature flower. Fusion is indicated by the enclosing the figure within bracket and anthesia by a line drop above the symbols of the floral part. A floral diagram provides information about the member of part of flower, their arrangement and relation they have with one another, the position of another axis with respect to the flower is represented by white dot on the top of floral diagram. Calyx, corolla, endosperm, and gynoecium are drawn in successive words. Calyx being the outermost and gynoecium being the center. Floral formula is also shows as chasen and stationed with the part of hole between the hole. The floral diagram formula 5.16 represented mustard plant family Brassicaceae. Solanaceae. In a large family commonly called the protective family, it is a widely distributed in tropics, subtropic, and even temperature zone. Vegetative character: plant mostly herbs and shrubs and rarely small trees. Her stem herbaceous rarely wood array erect cylindrical branch solid hollow highly gibbous undergay stamen in potato solanus tuberous leaves अल्टरनेटिव हो गया लीव्स जो होता है अल्टरनेटिव होते हैं सिंपल होते हैं रियली होते हैं पेनिट्रल होते हैं कंपाउंड होते हैं एक्स्ट्रा प्यूटेटिव वेनिशंस और रेटिकुलेट सोलनेशन निग्रम प्लांट फ्लावरिंग टूइंग हो गया फ्लावर स्टेमन हो गया कॉर्पल हो गया फ्लोरल डायग्राम हो गया फ्लोरल कैटर इनफ्लोरेसेंस में क्या था सोलिटरी एक्सिलरी साइमो सोलनर फ्लावर बायोसेक्सुअल एक्टिनोमॉर्फिक कैलिक्स में सेपल 5 यूनिटेड प्रेसिडेंट वॉल्वेट एक्सिबिटिंग कोरोला में जो होता है पेटल्स 5 होते हैं यूनिटेड वेलवेट एस्टिवेशन एंडोसियम स्टेमन 5 होते हैं एपीपेटल्स गाइनोशियम बाइकार्पल ऑब्लिगेटरी प्लेस सिनेकॉर्पल ओवरी सुपीरियर हो गया फिर बाइकुलर प्लेसेंटा स्वेलन हो गया विथ मैनी ओवल्स एक्सिल फ्रूट बेरी और कॉर्पस सीड मैनी एंडोसम फ्लोरा एंड फॉर्मल्स ज़्यादा economic importance many plant belonging to this family are source of food tomato brinjal potato spices chili medicine belladonna ashwagandha fenugreek or ornamental petunias summary flowering plant exhibit enormous various in shape size structures mode of nutrition lifespan habit and habitat they have well developed root and shoot system either tap root or fibrous generally dicotyledon plants have tap root while monocotyledon plants have fibrous root. The root in some plants get modified for storage of food. Mechanical support, respiration. The shoot system is differentiated into stem, leaves, flower, and fruit. The morphological feature of stems, like the presence of node, internode, multicellular hair, and positive phototrophic nature, help differentiate the stem from root. Leaf is lateral outgrowth of stem, developed exogenous at the node. These are green color perfume the function of photosynthesis. Leaf exhibit marked variation in their shape, size, margin, apex, extent of initiation. The leaf blade lamina, the flowers is a modified shoot meant for sexual reproduction. The flowers are arranged in different type of inflorescences. They exhibit enormous variation in structure, symmetry, position of ovary in relation to other part of arrangement of petals, sepal, ovules, etc. After fertilization, the ovary is modified into fruit, ovules into seed. Seeds either may in monocotyledons, dicotyledons. They vary in shape, size, and period of validity. The flora character from the basis of classification and as identification of flowering plant. This can be This can be illustrated through the semi-technical description of families. Hence, a flowering plant is described in different sequence by using scientific terms. The floral features are represented in the summarized from a floral diagram and floral formula. How is a complex compound leaf differently from the planetary compound leaf? Explain with a suitable example the different type phlotoxy. Define the following term: activation, placenta, actinomorphic, zygonomorphic, superior ovary, perigamous flower, epithymus stamen. Differentiate between racemose हो गया, cymose, inflorescence, inter ovary. Draw the label diagram of the following: gram seed. Take of flower of family Solanaceae. Write it semi-technical. Description: also draw there the floral diagram. Description: the various types of placenta found in flowering plant. What is a flower? Describe the part of typical angiosperm flower. Define the terms in the angiosperm. Explain the basis for the different types. Inflorescence in flowering plant. Describe the arrangement of flower member in relation to their the insertion of thalamus. Thank you for watching.